Hello everyone, today I'll show you a few easy steps on how to fix Rust client not responding. So let's go ahead and begin. First thing that we should do is by going to your Steam. Okay, on the top left, just go ahead and click on it and then click on check for Steam client updates. This will make sure that the servers and the Steam client update is up to date and are all aligned. The next thing that we should do is go ahead and exit out of Steam and then go to your tasks manager. On the task manager, just go ahead and scroll down until you see Steam Client bit32. Over here, just go ahead and right click and then add tasks. Once done, just go ahead and exit out the task manager. The next step that we can do is go ahead and go to your Steam and relaunch it again, as we have relaunched the client servers and also the Steam itself. Once Steam is back up, just go ahead and go to your collections and find Rust. Once you find Rust, go ahead and right click and then properties. Once you go ahead and properties, just click on installed files and verify integrity. That way, any corrupted file will be recovered safely and any bug will be automatically corrected. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.